What's up, you guys? I am going to show you how to skin the catfish today. I've got this one skin. It's gonna look like this. So this is the bigger one. So first of all, you're gonna have to sharpen the knife. I showed you on my last video that you're gonna have to sharpen it down like this. So make sure that you get the tip of the knife really sharp. So I'm going to skin this big fish here. This is a 10-pound catfish. I'm going to lower down my GoPro so you can see it. Okay. So first of all, you're going to have to score the skin of the fish on both sides, and then you're going to score one line in the middle of the back of the fish. So the skin is kind of thick, so you can kind of cut it through the skin, not through the meat. Okay. Now you cut. Cut through. Make sure the knife is really sharp. So you score through the skin. So just cut through the skin. The sharper the knife you got, the better it is. Okay, and then you score on this side. Cut through the skin. Like that. Now you use this skin peeler clamp kind of deal. You can get this at any Walmart or Academy or Target. So first of all, you're gonna grab this. And grab the skin and you pull it. Use this hand, hold on to the spine right here, and then you peel it. Just peel it. And you don't want to skin the stomach, because I don't know about you guys, but we don't eat the stomach. So when we skin them, just peel it off. Just peel it off. Slowly. Here, I have to do a little pulling, get it through the fin, and it should come off pretty easily. Just like that. Get one side out, and on this side, same thing. Grab that point, You peel it. Make sure that you cut it through the skin. Should come off pretty easily. Just like that. Just little piece. Just like that, guys. So last time I did the fillet because we use it for deep fry fishing. This time the reason we skin the fish because we're gonna cut the fish into pieces so we can cook it different way. So I just chop the tail. You're gonna have to get one of this heavy duty knife from an Asian supermarket. It's about 30 bucks, but it's really durable. So get a heavy duty one. And then you're gonna use a block of wood. You can chop it, but I use this. It's easier. So you're gonna cut out the fin, and then we cut them into smaller chunks like this. Smaller chunks like this, so we can cook. See, like this. And when we get to the stomach, we're gonna have to remove the stomach first before you cut them into chunks. Otherwise, when you cut it through before you gut the fish, the gut will be all over the place, so it won't be good. Okay, after you remove the guts, you keep chopping the meat up into like chunks like this, and I will make another video on how we cook catfish. I'll show you how to cut catfish chunk like this on the next video, on another video. And when we get to here, I will chop it down. I'll chop it down this piece here, and then I'll fillet it because there's a big piece of bone back here that it doesn't really need to be there. So I'll fillet this piece. Just like that. Okay guys, hope that helped. See you in the next video.